Please, if you know anyone who has COVID, they should stay home, self-isolate and treat themselves. They should not go to that Yaba isolation center. They are killing people there. They are killing people at that Yaba isolation center so that they can have numbers to count. Imagine, they will come and take her oxygen that her family bought for her. They will take it and give it to other people. It's the people that give them money that they give oxygen to. People that bribes them are the people they take care of. They will come and collect her oxygen and give to other people. Please, Yaba Isolation Center, Lagos State government, please look into that place. That place, they are just killing people. They are killing people. Look into that isolation center at Yaba. They are just killing people. You need to see our charts. They will come and take her oxygen. Sometimes the oxygen will finish from morning to evening. They will not give her oxygen. Yaba Isolation Center, they are killing people there. They are killing people. It's better to stay home and self-isolate than go to that place. Lagos State government, please do something.
Hey, how far my people? Personally, I already made up my mind that I took a break from anything Nigeria because I want sanity. And if you know me very well, you know that I've been very active human rights, prison reform since I was young. So that make me, since I take break, I enjoy my wife, my relationship, my marriage. But I see what they happen because of this COVID matter for Lagos, for Nigeria. I say, no, I must talk to my people. Dear Nigerians, COVID-19 is real. COVID is real. I repeat, COVID is real. Don't allow what you can prevent kill you. 90% of Nigerians have never done medical checkup, so they don't even know what is in their system. Now, I dare everybody they use for that country. I am speaking from experience of my mom, my grandma, and the projects that I've done within the medical system. Nigeria does not have what it takes to contain COVID if the outbreak is not controlled. Some of them never go general hospital now. I don't know where it is safe. Now chemist, they run on a normal day. So this is my advice to you. Because there's something about Nigerians. Nigerians are very selfish. And that is why HIV, AIDS, and STDs, they sweep. They swim for Nigeria like say tomorrow. No, they why? When an average Nigerian know where, he go hide them. They go hide them. They don't want to make you know. You go see boy when no saying get STD. Because he want knack, he want strap. He go see form. You know go let the babe know alpha. Or the babe no go let the guy know alpha. They go still wire you. Later waiting go end them. Sorry. Oh, I didn't know. No, you know. And that's why I'm doing this video. To remind you, for the first time, I need you all to be selfish. If anybody is going to come to your house, where you and your family is, they must observe social distancing or they must wear mask. If you're in a public space, you're going to the office, wear your face mask. Protect yourself. Because the truth is this. Nigeria does not have the healthcare capacity if this thing goes beyond what it is. The only way COVID will be contained is if you, I'm talking to you, your household, if you wear masks and do the right thing. Don't wait until the thing don't escalate. You can't make one they use on an upper. No, they use upper, they waka for ground. If you they waka for ground since when this COVID come out, pick your upper from ground, put and make a talk like Warren Peking. Your upper, make it a function. I love you guys. I love Nigeria, man. See, trust me. I suppose just blank now. I suppose just blank the whole country. But I no fit. Because I too love Nigeria. I be Nigeria boy to the bone. And it go pay me if I see my people they die. See, when my mama gets HIV AIDS, part of the reasons we make my mom sick by now because say when Male sick, now no more go hospital, they say no. Hey, pastor, pray for you. Would they spend days, weeks on top altar, on top holy water? Meanwhile, instead we could go checkmate Male, make we know what's in the shop. We did ready, they do waiting. We did on top altar. By the time we decided to take my mom to the hospital, it was too late. Nigerians, I don't want you to be corrupt. Don't wait until it's too late. I have been to the general hospitals. If you know me, see, my projects in general hospitals, I never really posted them on social media because it was very private. We were trying to respect the patients we were helping, right? But I do plenty work, Charlie. I do plenty work for hospitals for Nigeria, but I keep them coded. And I tell you, say, the healthcare system no get waiting it go take. if outbreak hits Lagos. Don't be caught up in the selfish mentality of Nigerians. People will tell you it's not real. People will tell you for their own selfish reason, but if COVID hits you, you go call their number, you go do it, you go choke. You go choke, their number no go. So again, no let waiting you feel prevent, kill you. Make it be saying that waiting you no even get power over, waiting you no know, like kill you. And if you think it's fake, pretend as if it's real. Just wear mask. You will not die. For how many years you've been living without wearing mask? Now they say wear mask. You they do like say they won't kill you. You they do like say I'm gonna die. Wait, when death come, you go know how far. Anybody will not get sense. Borrow one. And if you are encouraging people around you not to obey or to disregard because of say you're hungry because of food. I know say hunger did the country already. No one, we know. I experience them. I did for that same country. Days they will say no food, I sleep, wake up. Sometimes dinner and ordinary water. I experience them. But I did tell you, say you have a role to play. And the role you can play is wear your mask. Wear your mask. Obey the rules and regulations from the government. If government says shut down at a particular time, not more than XYZ people must be in a particular space, obey it. It's just for a short time. The earlier you can contain this, the better for you. COVID day Naija pass with you they think. How many people don't go do test? Test where they even hot. You wanna know our country now. Wanna come they behave like say wanna be foreigners. Wait see. Wanna arrange you. If you no get upper, borrow upper. Thank you.